Hello, I am Harsha Singara. I have 7 years of career gap. After that, I decided to start my career. So I joined STAD Solution and learned how to learn software testing to start my career. They provide online classes, and I joined during pandemic, so that was easy. I learned how to test mobile application, web application, and gaming application. Also, that how to create bug report, test plans, test cases, and how to use different bug tracking tools like Jira, Selenium. About faculty, they are very helpful during my learning journey. Special thanks to Richa ma'am. Also, they provide placement, and before that, they teach me how to crack interview by practice. I got placement by State Solution at Brainy QA service, and right now I'm earning and working. I am very happy with State Solution service. Thank you.